Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to create an image gallery like this one using HTML, CSS and vanilla JavaScript. If you're excited to learn how to do this, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you are new here, on this channel I post new videos every single day that will make you a better web developer so that you can earn more money and live a better life. If that is something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any of the new daily videos that I upload. With that being said, let's get straight to the coding. I have an empty folder here on my desktop and I opened it with my text editor, which in my case is brackets. I'm going to create the index.html file, the style.css, and the main.js file. I'm also going to create an img folder for the images. And I'm going to go and grab these images. By the way, I'm going to leave links to the images in the pinned comment of this video. They are from pexels.com, they are free to use, and when you go there, make sure to grab the large one and the small one for each photo. We have 4 images, and I named this black car big, black car small, red car big, red car small, and so on. Okay, now let's go to the index.html and create a basic markup. Give this a title of image gallery. Let's link our CSS file, so style.css, and let's go before the closing tag of the body and put our script source main.js. Alright, we're gonna have a div with a class of content, and inside here another div with a class of car gallery. Inside here I'm gonna put our big image, so img. Let's see, so img black car big, and for the alt tag current image. Now I'm also gonna give this a class of current image, and below the image I'm gonna put a div with a class of cars preview. And inside here we're gonna put our small images, so img black car small. Copy this 3 more times, and let's change it to, let's see, red car small, a yellow car small, and white car small. And for the alt, let's say black car, red car, yellow car, and white car. Alright, and this is it for the markup. Let's open this in our browser. These images are way too big. Now we're gonna go to the style.css and make them look nicer. First I'm gonna make some space here. Now I'm gonna select everything with the asterisk and give this a margin 0, padding 0, and set the box sizing property to border box. Now for the body, I'm gonna give it a background of dark gray 333. Let's see. As you can see, it's dark gray. Now select the content, the div with the class of content. Give this a height of 100 viewport heights. Okay. Now select the div with the class of car gallery, and give this a height of 100% and a width of 50%. Display flex margin, actually flex direction column. Now we're gonna center it, margin auto. Justify content center and align items center. Okay, we still have work to do. Let's select the current image, so current image. Give it a width of 100% and a height of 60%. Okay. Now let's select the div with the class of cars preview and give this a display of flex and a width of 100%. Okay. Now the images, so cars preview img, give this a max height of 150 pixels, a flex of 1, opacity 0.5. Okay, now I want to make this look like they're clickable, so I'm gonna change the cursor to pointer. Okay, and for the transition, opacity 0.5 seconds, ease, and give the img with a class of active image, set the opacity back to 1. I'm gonna need to go back to the markup, and for now I'm gonna give this black car a class of active image. Okay, as you can see. And this is it for our CSS style. Now we need to make it work with the JavaScript. I'm gonna create a function called the image gallery, and inside here we're gonna create some variables. So const current image equals document.query selector. By the way, I'm gonna do a JavaScript series if you don't know JavaScript. Current image, and another one for the cars preview equals document.query selector all, so you can get all of them, cars preview img. Now let's select cars preview, and we're gonna use for each to loop through them, a function and preview. And now for preview I'm gonna add an event listener, a click event, so click and function, and inside here I'm gonna create a small source, so small src equals preview dot src. So this is gonna give us the source of these images right here. So let's console.log small src. First we're gonna need to call this function, so image gallery, refresh, press F12. Let me so if we click here, as you can see, it gives us the source. Okay, let's go back. Now I'm gonna create another variable called the big source, big src. I'm gonna use a really cool function. I'm gonna select the small src and I'm gonna use a replace, and we're gonna replace the small with big. And now you see why I chose to name these images with big, small for this purpose. And now I'm gonna give the current image src equals big src. So when you click on a small image here at the bottom, it will put it here. So now cars preview dot for each. So function preview and preview dot class list dot add. I'm gonna add the class of active image, and that should do it. Let's refresh, and now but it adds the class to all of them, so we don't want that. So before this, I'm gonna put a preview dot class list dot remove the class of active image, and now it should work fine, or not. Actually, you know what? This remove, I'm gonna loop to this to all of these images, and I'm gonna remove the class, and I'll copy this and put this outside of this for only the clicked image. So now it should work fine. As you can see, now it only changes the current image to active. So I really hope that makes sense. If I confused you and you still have questions, leave them down in the comments below. But that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.